Hello everybody, I welcome you all to this new channel by Planet Spark everybody. So all my 11th and 12th graders, we'll be starting with all the chapters one by one, okay, from the end, and then we'll be covering all the syllabus. So let's get started with the last chapter of grade 11, that is probability. And in that we'll be taking today events and set based operations. Let's get started everyone. So, probability में कुछ terms को समझेंगे पहले, right? First of all, we have sample space. What is sample space, everybody? The set of all the possible outcomes of an experiment. Let's say हमारा experiment है tossing a coin. So, in that case, output can be head or tail. सारे आउटकम्स को हमने एक सेट में रख दिया, तो ये सेट क्या है हमारे पास? सैम्पल स्पेस, राइट? सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ थ्रोइंग अ डाई, राइट, एक डाइस हम रोल करेंगे तो वहां पे सैम्पल स्पेस क्या होगा? 1 2 3 4 5 6. क्या पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हैं? हमारे पास 6 फेसेस हैं जिन पे नंबर्स हैं फ्रॉम 1 to 6, सो दे आर द पॉसिबल आउटकम्स देयर. सबको एक साथ एक सेट में रखा, सो दैट इज द सैम्पल स्पेस देयर. ओके, देन वी हैव event E, right? Subset of sample space. ये sample space है, इसमें से कोई भी outcomes को हम उठा लेंगे और we can say इसका कोई भी subset, that will be an event E. Event को हम डिफाइन भी कर सकते हैं यूजिंग अ स्टेटमेंट. लेट्स से यहाँ से मैंने उठाए आउटकम्स 2, 4 and 6, right? I can see even numbers हैं, right? So I can say all the even numbers on the dice. That is the event E there, right? Then different type of events are there. Let's understand them. First we have certain event. That is the even that is certain. That means 100% that will occur, right? तो उसके होने के chances क्या हैं everybody? 100%. That means 100 on 100. So what is the probability? The probability is 1. Probability क्या है? Chances of something to happen, right everybody? अब chances can vary from 0% नहीं होगा और 100% surely होगा, right? That means probability can vary from 0 to 1. Always remember this everybody. Probability of any event, उसकी मिनिमम वैल्यू हो सकती है 0, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हो सकती है 1. ऑल अदर वैल्यूज विल लाई बिटवीन दिस. 0 और 1 के बीच में होंगी बाकी सारी वैल्यूज. ओके, सो सर्टेन इवेंट की पता है 100% होगा. 100% मीन्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1. देन इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट हो ही नहीं सकता. लेट्स से वी आर फाइंडिंग द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सन राइजिंग इन द वेस्ट. Is it possible? No, impossible. कितने chances हैं? 0% chances. 0 over 100. So what is the probability? That is 0. So for any certain event, remember the probability is 1. For impossible event, probability is 0. And event is what? Null. Nothing is there, right? That's how we define null there. Phi. That is the symbol we use there. Okay. Now, how do we represent events? जब कुछ ऐसी condition given है on X that we can define there. Okay. How do we write it? Event E. Such that X belongs to the sample space. And here we write the condition on X. Right. कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं in form of statement or mathematically. Let's say here I write when X is even. Right? Or I can write X is less than equal to 4. Condition किसी भी form में we can put here. So this defines the event for us. Okay everybody. Let's move forward then. चलिए जी. Next है more type of events there. Firstly we have simple event. Simple event मतलब इस event का एक single outcome होगा. Right? Based on number of outcomes we have these. एक ही आउटकम है. लेट्स से 3 is the only outcome. That means that event is a simple event. Then simple नहीं होगा तो कैसा event होगा? Compound event. That means multiple outcomes will be there. Okay. For example, face cards we are taking. So we can have Jack, Queen and King. Right? All of these cards we can have there in the outcome. Right? So these are known as compound events. Then sure event, right? Sure event means 100% possibility, or we can say the probability is 1, right? For example, when we are tossing a coin, sample space क्या है हमारे पास? Yes, H and T, heads आएगा या tails आएगा. Event में we are taking the whole sample space कि या तो head आए या तो tail आए, right? That is our event, either a head or a tail. That means that's a sure event कि यही दोनों में से एक आएगा, right everybody? Then impossible event, that cannot occur, right? So we can say while rolling a dice, let's say outcome is 7. Is it possible? 6 faces. Sample space में क्या values है हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 आ सकता है? नहीं. That is impossible. So there the probability is 0. Right. Okay then. Now some operations are there on events. Let's see what are these everybody. Firstly, we have here complement of an event. Complement. Literal meaning हम यहाँ लेंगे. Let's say we have the sample space in case of the die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. एक event है हमारे पास in which I am taking the elements 1, 3 and 5. Right. ये outcomes मैंने लिए हैं. That is the event. So what is the complement of this event? How do we write it? E dash. Okay, so the complement of this event will have all the outcomes in the sample space except the outcomes of E. 1 आ गया, 3 आ गया, 5 आ गया. इसको छोड़ के बाकी सारे outcomes डाल दो एक set में. So that is the complement of the event E. Right everybody? So E है, sample space से E के outcomes को हटा देंगे. That will give us the complement of E. Then union. Union means or, right? Let's say we have two events A and B. A में हमारे पास outcomes हैं 1 and 2 and B में हैं 2 and 3. जब हम एक set में और एक event में will take all the outcomes of both of these events, right? 1, 2 भी लेंगे और 3 भी लेंगे. Repeatedly 2 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because 2 is common in their both of them, right? So एक event जिसके अंदर 1, 2 and 3 वो outcomes हों जो A और B दोनों के outcomes हैं, that will be A union B, and that's how we define union, right? And what is the meaning? A और B. Union का मतलब है और कि या तो A हो जाए या B हो जाए. That is either event A occurs or B occurs, right? Then we say A union B occurs there. Then we have intersection. Intersection means common. A और B में जो common है outcomes, those outcomes we will take. So in A we have 2, in B also we have 2. So in their intersection, that is the sign for intersection. Inverted U, right everybody? A and B. मतलब क्या है इसका? And. That is something that is there in A as well as B. A और B दोनों में वो outcome होना चाहिए. So in the intersection we just have one outcome, that is 2. So in the intersection of A and B we have 2 there. Remember this. Union का मतलब है और, intersection का मतलब है and. Right everybody? Now we can understand this with the help of Venn diagrams as well. Okay, let's understand that. देखो Venn diagrams में क्या करते हैं? We take the universal set, okay, जिसका part है हमारे सारे sets that we are considering, the sample space as well as the set A, B and so on. So let's say 2 sets we are taking, okay, A and B. You can see some common part there. That means जो outcomes यहाँ पे common है वो common part में represent करेंगे हम. That means this common part is representing A intersection B. Then if we consider this part everybody, let's say जहाँ पे A और B दोनों के सारे elements we are taking together, so that represents A union B. That means either A or B. यहीं पे if we talk about complement, okay, this represents A, right? A के अलावा sample space का सारा part जब हम लेंगे, right, that will represent A complement. Clear everyone? Okay, so same thing we can represent using Venn diagram also. Okay, questions में साथ साथ use करेंगे, then you'll understand better. चलिए जी, next one. Okay, time for question. A die is rolled. Write the sample space and represent the event getting a prime number as a subset. Okay. So what will be the sample space, everybody? You all know, very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? That is the sample space. Now we want an event of prime numbers. Right? चलिए, तो क्या क्या आउटकम होंगे हमारे पास? 1, no, we know the smallest prime is 2, so 2 will be there. 3 is a prime, 3 will be there, 4 will not be there. 5 is a prime, so 5 will also be there, right? 2, 3 and 5 is the event where we have all the prime numbers. So we can say here E is a subset of S, right? S से हमने prime numbers को उठाया, एक set में डाला, so we have got the subset E. That is the required event here. Okay, next one everyone. For two events A and B on the sample space S, again we can see rolling a dice, right? Sample space dice का है हमारे पास. A में है 1, 3, 5, we can clearly see odd numbers are there. B में है 2, 4, 6, even numbers are there. चलिए, first है find A union B. Okay, क्या करेंगे? A के सारे elements outcomes डाल दो, B के सारे outcomes डाल दो. चलिए, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. किस order में मैं लिख रही हूँ? Does that matter? No. Right? So this becomes A union B, which is actually equal to the sample space. Right? सारे outcomes हैं हमारे पास sample space के. Then A intersection B. क्या A और B में कोई event, कोई outcome common है everybody? No. Odds और evens में कुछ common होगा ही नहीं. So we will have an empty set here. Null set. Right? A intersection B is empty. Third one. Are A and B mutually exclusive? Now what is the meaning of that? Let's understand. Mutually exclusive का मतलब है अगर A होगा तो B नहीं होगा. Right? If B will occur, then A will not occur. That means at a point of time, दोनों में से only one event can take place. Right? अगर outcome odd number है तो it can't be even. अगर outcome even number है so it can't be odd. Right? और कैसे define करेंगे इसे? We can say when two events have their intersection as null. Right? Intersection में कुछ नहीं है. Right? A intersection B is empty. Then we can say they are mutually exclusive. Remember the condition everybody. A intersection B is a null set. Nothing is there. So are A and B mutually exclusive? Absolutely. Okay. चलिए जी, next question. For a card drawn from a standard deck समझ लेते हैं quickly. Let's recap. 52 cards होते हैं हमारे पास, in which 4 suits are there. Right? 2 red suits होते हैं हमारे पास, hearts and diamonds. 2 black suits होते हैं हमारे पास, clubs and spades. Right? Okay. In all of them 13 cards are there. अब इन 13 cards में what all do we have? 3 face cards. कौन से होंगे? King, Queen and Jack. Always remember Ace is not a face card. Okay. Then numbered cards होंगे हमारे पास from 2 to 10 and we have Ace as well. Right? So 10 plus 3, 13 cards होंगे हर suit में. That is the division there, everybody. Okay. चलिए क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Find number of outcomes in A intersection B. Right? N of A intersection B means उसके अंदर कितने outcomes होंगे, कितने elements होंगे, that we have to tell there. First of all, let's figure out what is A intersection B. A क्या है? Hearts there. B है face cards there. Okay. So tell me if event A is hearts. कितने elements होंगे इसमें? Yes, everybody. For hearts, 13 cards are there, right? Now, B event, that is face cards. How many face cards are there? In one suit, there are 3 face cards. 3 यहाँ, 3 यहाँ, 3 यहाँ, 3 यहाँ, right? So, 4 into 3, total 12 face cards are there. Okay then. Now we are talking about the intersection A intersection B. That is hearts के face cards. Heart में कितने face cards होंगे everybody? एक king, एक queen और एक jack, right? So there will be 3 face cards, king, queen and jack. So number of elements in A intersection B, that is equal to 3 there. Done? Okay then. Second part. Are A and B mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive की condition जरा बता दो फटाफट in comments everybody that we discussed. Yes, A intersection B क्या होना चाहिए? Empty set. क्या A intersection B empty है? No. That means they are not mutually exclusive. Are they? No. What is the reason? Because intersection is not empty. Okay. Find B complement. Okay. चलिए जी, B complement find out करते हैं. In B, we have all the face cards, right? पूरे deck के face cards है हमारे पास. The 12 cards are there. So B complement will have all the other cards except for the face cards, right everybody? So B complement में क्या होंगे? We can say non-face cards. कितने होंगे total? 52 cards हैं. Face cards 12 हैं. Subtract कर देंगे. So total 40 cards will be there in B complement. This means complement of B, right? So B complement में non-face cards होंगे which are 40 in number. चलिए जी, next question. A bag contains 3 red, 2 blue and 5 green marbles. Write the sample space of S for drawing one marble. तो sample space क्या होगा हमारे पास? We can have red, red and red, blue, blue, green, 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 green. Right? All of these can be there. These outcomes can be there. In balls को, in marbles को, if we are like taking separately R1, R2, R3, B1, B2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this we can write. Okay, because usually in a set हम repeat नहीं करते हैं elements को. Okay, but since we are writing sample space, so individual marble को we can just write with a unique identity there. Okay. Identify whether these are simple or compound events. ये दो events की हम बात करेंगे whether they are simple or compound. Simple और compound events क्या होते हैं? Simple में हमारे पास कितने outcomes होंगे? Single outcome, right? Compound event में multiple outcomes, right everybody? तो चलो outcomes check करते हैं. Drawing a red marble. Red marble कितने हैं? 3. That means कितने outcomes हो सकते हैं? 3, R1, R2, R3. तो क्या single outcome है? नहीं. Drawing a blue or a green marble. Blue कितने marble हैं? 2. Green है 5. Total 7 outcomes can be there. Blue or green. Again, multiple outcomes are there. So what kind of events are these everybody? Both are compound events. Right? That's the right answer. Chaliye, next question. For a standard die, roll with sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Consider this, we have odd numbers in a set, right? Set A, 1, 3, 5, B, 2, 4, 6. दो events है हमारे पास odd numbers और even numbers का. In C, we have 1 and 2 there. Okay, let's determine A union B. Union में क्या होंगे? सारे outcomes collectively. तो पहले A के सारे outcomes ले लो. 1, 3, 5. Then B के outcomes repeated को repeat नहीं करेंगे set में. Okay, 2, 4, 6. क्या आ गया हमारे पास A union B? Sample space. Okay, then B intersection C. B और C में common देखो क्या है? 2 is common. So intersection में there is only one outcome, that is 2. Okay. आर ए एंड बी म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव? म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव कब होता है? क्या कंडीशन है? ए इंटरसेक्शन बी एम्प्टी सेट होना चाहिए, नल. फाइंड आउट ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. ए है ऑड्स, बी है इवन नंबर्स, कुछ कॉमन होगा नहीं. सो यस, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज एम्प्टी सेट. सो आर दे म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव? Absolutely yes. Okay, next question. Okay, that was all. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned here in events, everybody. Okay, first of all we understood what is sample space. Sample space में क्या होगा? सारे possible outcomes. For example, tossing a coin, head and tail, rolling a die, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Event is any subset of the sample space. For example, in case of dice we can take even numbers there, so 2 4 and 6. Cards के cases में, let's say we are taking the suit of hearts, right? So these 13 outcomes will be there in this subset. Okay. Then event classification we learned there. Simple event जहाँ single outcome होगा. Okay. Compound event जहाँ multiple outcomes होंगे. Okay, everybody. Then sure event, or we can say certain event that we know will happen, will occur 100%. So probability क्या होगी? 1. Impossible event, that is null set है हमारे पास, it's not possible to happen, so उसकी probability क्या होगी? 0. Key relationships are there. Complement of an event, how do we find it? Sample space से हटा देंगे E के सारे elements, right? Those outcomes which are in E, so we'll get the outcomes which are in complement of E. For example, in case of throwing a coin, we have head and tail as the outcome, that is the sample space. Event E है अगर getting a heads, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? गेटिंग अ टेल्स, राइट? हेड हटा दिया, क्या बचा? जस्ट टेल देयर इन द सैंपल स्पेस. देन रेंज ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी, इट विल रेंज फ्रॉम 0 to 1, राइट? चांसेस कैन बी 0% और 100%. सारे चांसेस विल बी बिटवीन दिस. देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द सैंपल स्पेस विल बी 1, राइट? सैंपल स्पेस से सारे इवेंट्स को हम एक सारे आउटकम्स को एक इवेंट में ले रहे हैं, सो दैट विल बी 100% चांसेस ऑफ हैपनिंग. देन null set, for that the probability is 0. So that was all for today, everybody. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned and tell me in the comments the chapters that you want to do next.